Hi guys, my name is Katie Plays, known as Angel JS. Uh, so guys, I'm gonna show you what what Crescent Island actually looks like. So I'm checking Twitter. I'm using 100 Point Gaming's Twitter account, but by the way, um, I think it looks like this. This is what Lando just posted in Twitter. So this is the grass where Pokemon comes out. You catch it. And what is that? Is that a pond or a dirty lake? I think Crescent Island will look like this. Okay, and he sent this picture like 3 days ago. Like, is this Hoopa and Bond? Hoopa and Bond looks like this. Like, everyone is like thinking of this. So Lando actually finished the texture. I mean, like, there's a who. I think this is where Team Eclipse will, like, be here. Get to see in the key. I don't know what he's going to do, but I'm thinking Crescent Island will look like this when we enter Crescent Island. I don't know where Tess will be. By the way, maybe in the edge of the island, waiting for us. Is like, hey, whatever your name. Hey, birthday news 1000. We are here in Crescent Island. And we are going to go to the 8 gym. Go ahead and go to the win your gym badge. Like, seriously. Everyone is waiting for the 8 gym. So this looks like this. I don't even know. Look, is this a moss? Is is it 8 gym going to be a bug type? I'm thinking the 8 gym will be a bug type. But look at the trees. It does not have leaves. Trees do not have leaves at all. Is the tree dead? Or is this a swamp? Like, T-Rex will be here, waking up Hoopa? Guys, I'm hoping Pokemon Brick Bronze has a good ending. I think I will show you a great ending in Pokemon Brick Bronze. Actually, I want to make part 1 and the part 2. Actually, with 100 Point Gaming, I guess. I do not know when the 8 gym will come, guys. I'm thinking the 8 gym might be a bug type because look at the Crescent Island. It looks muggy and gooey. It might be a poison type or a bug type. We did water type. Yeah. I think it's a Psychic type. Psychic types are very, very, like, legit. You need a dark type to defeat that gym. Literally. If you have Ermion, you can defeat the gym. If you have Golcha, you can gym. Oh, like any other dark type Pokemon. But by the ways, there's so many tweets. Like, oh, there's a rainbow one. Basically, okay, catching, really, fishing. You have to fish. There may also be in air with the, oh, I'm sorry, randomizer mode. There's a few bugs. I saw a bug in the game, like yesterday, when I started a new game, like with another account. And then I was like, I have to hurry this up. Literally, I have to like hurry up. Then there's so many tweets, I swear. Like, does this look like it's going to be the A gym? Barely. It's this a swamp. It's a swamp. But by the way, I think this will look like it will be the A gym. So guys, thank you for watching and please leave a like or dislike, I don't care. And subscribe today and like I forgot what 100 Point Gaming's always say. Uh let me redo this. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. And if you really like my video, please do not miss it. And click the bell and you'll never miss the video. And ciao long guys.